The value of current through 1 farad capacitor is given circuit. Here we have to find this current I that is flowing through the 1 farad capacitor. So first we will rearrange this circuit, that is this is an equipotential point. So we can connect all these resistor, this voltage V of t and capacitor to this point, and similarly to this point we can connect this resistor, this capacitor and the voltage source. So we get this figure. Now we will discuss about what is balance bridge. Balance bridge means here there are 4 impedances Z1, Z2, Z3 and Z4. Condition for balance bridge is Z1 into Z4 should be equal to Z2 into Z3. So if it is a balance bridge, then the current that is flowing through this element will be equal to 0. Therefore I equal to 0. Now here we will check if this is a balance bridge. We can see that Z1, this is Z1, this is Z1, this is Z2, this is Z3 and this is Z4. We can see that Z1 into Z4, that is 1 into this impedance, is same as Z2 into Z3, that is again 1 into the same impedance. Therefore here Z1 into Z4 is equal to Z2 into Z3. So it is a balanced bridge. So we know that in a balanced bridge the current through this element is equal to 0. Therefore the current that is passing through the 1 farad capacitor equal to 0.